Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 14, Introduction to Negative Numbers. So let's discuss homework answers first. In exercise 14a, 7th question, write the how many integers are between in that E, 0 and minus 6. So there are 6 integers in between 0 and minus 6. Okay, F, minus 4 and plus 4. There are 7 integers. Okay. Now 8th question, write all integers between in that D, 2 and 9. Okay, so in between 2 and 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. E, minus 1 and 5. In between minus 1 and 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. Okay. Next F, 0 and 10. The integers between 0 and 10 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Next exercise 14b. Find the sum of the following. First question. In that F, minus 2 plus minus 3 plus minus 4, you will get the answer minus 9. Next second question. Add. In that D, minus 874 plus 270, you will get minus 604. E, minus 1075 plus minus 456, you will get minus 1531. Okay, next F, minus 547 plus 152, you will get the answer minus 395. Next, exercise 14b, second question, add the following. In that I, 50 plus minus 80 plus minus 124 plus 74. Okay, so you have to add 4 integers. So first let us take the first 2 integers. 50 plus minus 80, let us do first. Okay, so addition of a positive number and a negative number. How can you add a positive number and a negative number? First, do the subtraction of greater number and a smaller number. That is, subtract smaller number from the greater number. Okay, here smaller number is 50, greater number is 80. So, 80 minus 50 you can do. Okay, 80 minus 50, what you will get? It is 30. Okay, now what will be the sign? Here in the answer, what will be the sign? You have to put the sign of greater number. Okay, here among 50 and 80, 80 is the greater number. Its sign is minus. So here also you have to put minus sign. Okay, first in order to add a positive number and a negative number, what is the step or what is the method? It is first to do the subtraction. That is, greater number minus smaller number you can do. You will get one number. Then what will be the sign of the answer? It will be the sign of the greater number. Okay. Now minus 30 plus minus 124 plus 74. Okay. Next we can do this minus 30 plus minus 124. Addition of 2 negative numbers. Okay, minus 30 is a negative number, minus 124 is a negative number. So addition of 2 negative numbers, how will you do? Add the 2 numbers first. That is 30 plus 124. So 124 plus 30, you will get 154. Okay, now what will be the sign here? It is minus. If you are adding 2 negative numbers, means the answer will be also negative number. Okay, first add the 2 numbers, put minus sign. Now minus 154 plus 74, remaining one more number, it is plus 74. Now addition of a negative number and a positive number. So what to do? First do the subtraction. That is 154 minus 74 you can do first. Okay, so 0 here. Here 15, 0. 80 you will get. Okay, now what will be the sign? Here sign will be the sign of greater number. Okay, minus 154, 74. among these two numbers, 154 is the greater number. Its sign is minus. So here also minus sign will come in the answer. Okay, so minus 80. This is the final answer. Next, J, minus 546 plus 128 plus minus 79 plus 127. Okay, so let us take the first two integers. Minus 546 plus 128. So, addition of a negative integer and a positive integer. What to do? First do the subtraction. That is, greater number minus smaller number you can do first. So 546 minus 128. What you will get? It is 418. Okay. Now what will be the sign of 418? Look at the greater number among these two numbers. Okay. 546, 128. This is the greater integer or greater number. So what is its sign? It is minus. So in the answer also minus sign will come. Okay, so minus 546 plus 128, it is minus 418. Plus two more numbers are there, minus 79 plus 127. Okay, now minus 418 plus minus 79 we can do. Addition of two negative integers. So what to do? First add the two numbers, then put minus sign. Okay, so 418 plus 79. So 9 plus 8, 17, 7 plus 2, 9. 497. What will be the sign here? Minus 497. Okay, addition of two negative numbers, you will get a negative number only. So minus 497 plus this 127. Okay, now addition of a negative number and a positive number. So what to do? First do the subtraction. Greater number minus smaller number you can do. Okay, so 497 minus 127. So 0, here 7, here 3. 370. Now what will be the sign of 370? Here 497, 127. This is the greater number, 497. Its sign is minus. So here also minus sign. Okay, minus 370 is the final answer. Third question, find the successor and predecessor of the following. In that A, minus 40. So successor means, you know that the integer that is coming just after the given integer. Predecessor means the integer that is coming just before the given integer. Okay, you have studied this. So successor and predecessor of minus 14 you need to find here. Okay, in this number line you can see minus 14 is coming in between minus 15 and a minus 13. Okay, so among this minus 15 and minus 13, one will be its successor and the other will be its predecessor. Okay, so how can you find which is its successor and which is its predecessor? Among minus 15 and minus 13, which will come as successor and which will come as predecessor? Okay, for that you have to know one thing. The number that is coming to its left will be its predecessor. Okay, the integer or number that is coming to its left will be its predecessor, right will be its successor. Okay, so successor of minus 14 will be minus 13 and predecessor of minus 14 will be minus 15. Okay, if you are taking in place of minus 14, if you are taking 14, that is positive 14 means successor will be 15 and predecessor will be 13. Okay, if you are taking 14 means successor will be 15. 14 plus 1 you will get 15 and predecessor will be 14 minus 1, you will get 13. But if it is negative 14 means successor will be negative 13 and predecessor will be negative 15. Okay, opposite it will be. Okay, now minus 14 plus 1, you will get minus 13 only. Okay, if you add a 1 to minus 14, you will get the successor. You will get minus 13 only. Okay, now minus 14 minus 1, it is minus 15. Subtraction case you are going to study only. So just understand this. Okay, minus 14 minus 1, it is minus 15. And minus 14 plus 1, it is minus 13. Okay, now B, 36. It is a positive integer, so you can write its successor and predecessor easily. What is the successor of 36? 36 plus 1, it is 37. Predecessor will be 36 minus 1, it is 35. Okay. Next is C, minus 97. So if you look at a number line, you can see that minus 97 is coming in between minus 98 and minus 96. Okay, 97 comes in between 96 and 98, that you know. So similarly minus 97 will come in between minus 98 and minus 96. Okay, now to its left it is minus 98 and to its right it is minus 96. In case of negative, if it is negative means it will be like this. To its left will be minus 98, to its right it is minus 96. So what is the successor? Successor is the number that is coming to its right. Okay, right side number, it will be its successor. So minus 96 will be the successor of minus 97. Okay, what will be to its left? Minus 98. So this is its predecessor. Minus 98 is its predecessor. Okay, if you take 97 means successor will be 98 and predecessor will be 96. So opposite case you have to take in case of minus 97. Okay. Next D, minus 174. Okay, if you are drawing number line means minus 174. To its left it will be minus 173. To its right it will be minus 173 and to its left it will be minus 175. Okay, so its successor will be, what is lying to its right? Minus 173. Okay, this will be its successor and predecessor will be minus 175. To its left it is minus 175. So this is its predecessor. Okay. Next E, minus 845. So if you are taking number line minus 845, to its right it will be minus 844. To its left it will be minus 846. Okay, if you are taking minus 845 on a number line means to its right it will be minus 844 and to its left it will be minus 846. Okay, so what is coming to its right? It will be its successor. What is coming to its left? It will be its predecessor. Okay, so successor is minus 844. Predecessor is minus 846. Okay, next F, minus 1094. Now what will be its successor and predecessor? If you are taking number line 1094 minus 1094. To its right it will be 1093. To its left it will be minus 1095. Okay, minus 1094 will come in between minus 1095 and minus 1093. To its right it will be minus 1093. To its left it will be minus 1095. So this will be its successor and this will be its predecessor. To its right it is successor, to its left it is predecessor. Okay, so you can write here successor it is 1000 minus 1093. Predecessor it is minus 1095. Okay. Next, fourth question. Using the number line, find the integer which is A 3 more than 4. Okay. So, you have to use number line to find this. So, first draw a number line. Draw a line, marks point at equal distances. Now mark 0. 0 at any point. Now to the left of 0 it will be negative numbers. To the right of 0 it will be positive numbers. 8. Okay. Now in order to get 3 more than 4, using a number line, first mark this 4. Okay, mark 4 on the number line. So this is 4. Okay, now move 3 points to its right. More than means you have to move to its right side. Okay, if more than is given in the question means you have to move to its right side, because greater numbers are coming to its right side. Less than means you have to move to its left side. Okay, always remember this point. More than comes means move to its right. Less than coming, move to its left side. Okay, so in order to get 3 more than 4, first mark 4 on the number line. Now moving 3 points to its right. What you will get? This is 1, 2, 3. You will get 7. Okay. In this way you can mark. So 3 more than 4, the answer is 7. Okay, on the number line we got 7 as answer. We reach at 7. Okay, so the answer is 7. 3 more than 4, it is 7. Second question, or B, 5 more than minus 4. Okay, so here 5 more than minus 4. So what to do first? Minus 4 you have to mark in the number line first. So this is minus 4. Okay, now move 5 points to its right. Okay, more than is given, so you have to move to right. Okay, so starting from minus 4, move 5 points to its right. So what you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You reach at 1. Okay, so the answer is 1. Okay, 5 more than minus 4, the answer is 1. C, 5 more than minus 8. Okay, so 5, in order to get or find the integer which is 5 more than minus 8, first mark minus 8 on the number line. So here you can see this is minus 8. Okay, now move 5 points to its right. If more than is given means you have to move to right side. Okay, so move 5 points to the right of minus 8. So what you will get? After minus 8, here, from here you have to start. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you reach at minus 3. So the answer is 5 more than minus 8. It is minus 3. Okay, if you are taking points, 5 points to its right, don't take minus 8. മൈനസ് 8 എടുക്കാതെ മൈനസ് 8ൻ്റെ റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് പോകുന്ന 5 പോയിന്റ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ -7 മുതൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. ദിസ് ഇസ് 1 2 3 4 5. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് E 4 ലെസ് ദാൻ -8. ഓക്കെ, so in order to find the integer which is 4 less than -8, first mark -8 on the number line. So here is -8. Okay, now in order to get 4 less than -8, what to do? Move 4 points to the left of -8. Okay, less than is given, so you have to move to left. Okay, to the left of -8, move 4 points. So what you will get? This is -8. So this is 1 2 3 4. You reach at -12. Okay, so the answer is 4 less than -8. It is -12. Okay, here less than is given, so you have to move to left. Okay, first mark -8 after -8. Don't take a -8 as the first point. Okay, -8 മുതൽ നിങ്ങൾ കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ തുടങ്ങരുത്. -9 മുതൽ വേണം കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ. ലെഫ്റ്റ് -8ൻ്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് -9 ആണ് വരുന്നത്. സോ ഇത് മുതൽ വേണം 4 പോയിന്റ്സ് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ. സോ 1 2 3 4 -12. At this point you will reach. Okay, so the answer is -12. Okay, fifth question, write the additive inverse of the following. A -5. So if you have to write the additive inverse, just change the sign with the same number. Okay, sign change ചെയ്തിട്ട് ആ നമ്പർ തന്നെ എഴുതി വെച്ചാൽ മതി. So additive inverse of -5, it is +5. Okay, additive inverse of 3, it is -3. -3. 3 means it is +3. Okay, so additive inverse will be -3. Additive inverse of -12 will be +12 or +12. Additive inverse of 16, it will be -16. Now exercise 14b, do the remaining problems of third question, fourth and fifth as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.